Hello, everyone. It is Wednesday, May the 30th, about 9:50 a.m. And this is DelrayVAWeather.com. Okay, we're currently under a slight risk of severe weather today, according to the Storm Prediction Center. And I've been tweeting out throughout the morning that I was somewhat doubtful that we would be under a severe weather threat here in the Alexandria, Virginia area. And I want to make sure you understand that I'm talking just about the area here in Northern Virginia, Alexandria, the city of Alexandria. Um, if we do have any severe weather, I suspect it's going to be west and northwest of the DC area, perhaps the Maryland suburbs, but I really don't see it in the model soundings, the latest model soundings here for Alexandria, Virginia. And I want to go show you what I'm seeing, the latest data from the various models, show you why I don't really think we got a serious problem here. First, I'm going to show you HRRR. That's the high resolution rapid refresh, and we're going to set this. The latest one that came down is 12Z. I'm going to turn that on, and I want to show you an overview here. And what we got right now, the highest CAPE is likely to occur later in the evening. However, if we go back to approximately late afternoon, this is the area where we probably are going to get thunderstorms, probably just before sunset today. And if you look over in this area, what we got, we have this sweet index of 145. That's actually quite low, at least for any severe weather. And that's the highest that we get is about 9 p.m. We have a suite of 206, and also the CAPE is very low. I've been getting tweets from some people that have said, "Oh, CAPE's going to be over 1,000." I'm not seeing it in these models. The highest CAPE that we have today is probably going to be about 500, not 1,000. And that would be like late in the evening, 10 p.m. I mean, conceivably we could see thunderstorms that late, but with as cool as it is outside, I mean, currently we got 63 degrees, and it's like I said, it's about 10 a.m. Right now. So I really, certainly HRRR doesn't say anything. If we go to RAP, and RAP is what a lot of people use for this type of weather, what we were seeing here, if we go back to the afternoon, this is about 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. If you notice, CAPE is very low up until about 6 p.m. and even at 6 p.m. Is only about a little over 400, and the suite is very low. If we keep bumping this up and see where our maximums would be, I mean, we're talking about a maximum of possibly 811 CAPE with a suite of 277. That's enough for possibly a marginal severe thunderstorm, but that's at 10 p.m. And while it is possible we could get severe weather then with the sun going down, you're not going to get the heating. And so, yes, I know there's a cold front that potentially is going to come through, but I really don't think that, 10 p.m. with a CAPE of only 800, sort of don't think that's going to happen under the RAP model. Okay, let's go to the NAM-NEST. That's the high resolution NAM. And let's make sure we got the latest NAM on here. That's 6Z. And if we move this around to late afternoon, I mean, we have no CAPE at all until 4 p.m. and then it disappears. I mean, the highest CAPE with NAM occurs at 11 p.m. and it's like under 200. wide resolution NAM. Let's look at that one too. That's the 6Z as well. And if we bump this around, let me make sure I get the right one, because sometimes this doesn't update properly. This is 6Z NAM, and if we move this around, there's just no cape. There's no cape. The Sweet index is very low. No EHI to speak of. So what the outs, I really don't see anything in this data that would suggest a severe thunderstorm today. Now, I'm an amateur. I could be wrong. SPC is saying that we're going to get severe weather. So you definitely need to stay alert this afternoon. But we'll see actually who's right. I could be wrong. I'll be the first to admit it if I'm wrong. And I will be monitoring the radar. Yeah, the first sign of a severe thunderstorm, you certainly will let you know. If we have any severe warnings upstream from Alexandria, I'll let you know about that. Okay, if you have any questions, just give me a tweet. It's at PatPend. It's PATPEND, and I'll try and answer them. Thanks a lot.